Sometimes we look at scriptures and we look at life, and it looks as if God is not concerned. A songwriter said, "Hello God, can you hear me? Are you there?" The subject is very simple. It is well. Regardless of whatever you are faced with, it is well. It is well. I know it is not easy, but it is well. It is well. I acknowledge and I appreciate the sort of torment, affliction, and all manner of hardship some of you have had to deal with because of the problem that has confronted the whole world. It is very difficult. I know it is difficult. Yet I will say it is well. It is well. The scripture in the book of Romans, chapter 8, if you study from the verse 27, the scripture says, "And he that searches through the heart knows the mind of the Spirit, for he intercedes for the saint according to the will of God." And so I will say it is well. Even as you are there crying, I know some of you will have to endure sleepless nights because the little business you were sustaining your life and the family with has suffered as a result of COVID-19. Little patronage that you were having is now over. But even as you go through that scripture, that there's a God, there's a God that is interceding for you. You move from 27, Romans 8:27 to the 28th verse, and the scripture says it. Explains it better, that all things work together for good